This is a quick video about a steering problem I had and how I think I've solved it. The steering started getting tight last year, and it got tighter and tighter to where it was intolerable. I felt like I was going to break the steering box or something, or I figured maybe the steering box is all messed up. But to diagnose it, I took off the drag link down here and felt the steering box, and looking at the drag link, having someone turn the wheel back and forth and looking at the drag link, I think my steering box is all right. It's quite free, and there's about no play between the wheel and the drag link. But the wheels, when I did it first time, this wheel was kind of tight, but I could move it pretty easily with one hand. The other side, however, once I knocked the tie rod loose, so I separated the tie rods, determined this side was probably okay. That side I was having trouble getting grease in the top. And so I heated up both kingpins. I've been through this with the old Volvo too, and I heated up both kingpin bushings. Not real hot, but good and propane torch hot. And I determined that this was the real culprit, because this one was so stiff that when I'd get it towards the lock, it was really hard with both arms to break it loose. So last time I heated it up, got grease in there, changed the grease zerk, got some grease in, and it was better. It still wasn't great. It started to happen again. So this time I decided that side was a little stiff, not too bad. This side again was really stiff. I warmed this up, it got a little better. But this time I pulled all the grease zerks and I squirted a ton of brake cleaner in there and worked it back and forth and kept spraying brake cleaner in all of the bushings, and it came out kind of nasty looking for a while. I did that till it got easy and it started coming out clean, and now it's like that on both sides. So now I'm going to put good grease zerks in all 4 holes, and I think problem's solved. So I don't know, maybe that's helpful to somebody, but that's the new old trick I learned today.